4K International Tour gives Antigua and Barbuda. Yes, Antigua and Barbuda. You hear me clearly? Antigua and Barbuda in 4K, so don't you dare miss it.
Brother. Yeah, safe man. Yeah. Guys, yes, I'm just driving around. You guys can see over this side of Antigua and Barbuda. Beautiful place. Yes, welcome to Antigua and Barbuda. I believe this side of Antigua named Crosbies. Crosbies. Somebody can correct me if I'm wrong. But yes, beautiful man. So guys, I'm here to pick up someone. So I decided, so why not giving you guys a view of Antigua and Barbuda. Beautiful. So right, this road is right where I started. Okay. So I am going to wait on someone over here. But while waiting, I'm gonna drive. So down here is like a dead end, guys. So I'm gonna turn around right here.
So yes guys, for everyone that reached this far in this video guys, if you want to see more of Crosbies, I am going to leave a link in the description of this video. So guys, if you want to see more of this side of Antigua and Barbuda, you can go and check out that channel. And also, if you are not a subscriber of that channel, please support. Remember to subscribe. Yes, so as you can see over here is beautiful, man. Yes, beautiful. And over this side of the island, as you can see, it is residential here. Okay, so yes man, peaceful and calm. Yes, welcome to Antigua and Barbuda. Beautiful day today, as you can see. So now I am on the Crosbies main road, heading out to Cedar Grove main road. Okay, so yes man, beautiful day today in Antigua and Barbuda, in 4K international tour right here in Antigua and Barbuda. Thanks for all the support, thanks for all the subscribers, and remember, we're trying to reach to 1,000 subscribers, and we need your support, we need your help. Just simple subscribe, click that notification bell, so whenever a new video upload onto this channel, you will be notified. Yes, if you're not a subscriber on Jonox TV, please visit Jonox TV. I'm gonna leave a link in the description of this video as well, so please go and check out that channel and show your support. Yes man.
comment, share, subscribe, and click the bell to be notified when a new video is uploaded to In4K International. For more videos, please visit John Knox TV. The link will be in the comment section and in the description of this video. Thanks for watching In4K International.